let's start. All right. So whenever I give you a signal, first thing is to click on this place. As you can see, I'm marking it. So click on that place. Search for the token I asked you to search for. Maybe it is gas. Maybe it is power USDT. So we are going to be using power USDT for this. Whenever, as you can see here, I gave there we have different options. So I could give limit order or I could give market order, either of the two. It will give you limit or market order or limit order. This limit order is going to place the a position for you, a pending order for you, and it's going to watch the market. So once the price of the market reach that particular price, the particular order price, it is going to initiate the transaction and it's going to start. So which means you can even cancel your order in case you have a change of mind before that actually happens. So that's how limit order works. So when I give you a price, a contract price to start from, like I explained earlier, so you just need to let's say we are going to use 0.24 as a entry price. I'm going to give you an entry price to enter the market for limit orders. So you just need to make use of your risk management. Don't forget to use only 10% of your available balance over here, just 10% of it. So to manage your risk, yeah. So then you are going to add take profit and stop loss. So it's going to be based on either long or short. That's going to be the contract, the signal that I'm going to be posting. Long means buy, short means sell. So when I give you long, you click here for long. When I give you short, you click here for short. So for long, let's say we are using a take profit of take profit also means target or trigger, profit trigger. So we could use a profit trigger, a take profit trigger of 0.35 for example, which actually give us about 0.2199 USDT profit and 458% in profit. So that is based on 0.7 USDT, remember. And let's say we are going to use a stop loss of 0.2003 for example. Then we click on confirm. Once we are done setting it 0.2003, click on confirm. Then when we are done, based on the fact that it's a long signal, we are going to click on long here. By clicking on long, you can see that we have an open long here. Yeah, based on the fact that that's what we just posted. It's a limit order, like I explained. It's a pending order. It is waiting until this price over here reaches 0.24 only. Currently it's about 2417. So it's waiting for it to come down to 24. Then it is going to start. It's going to kickstart. So that's how it works, right? So that's how it works. Order, market order, actually just like the name, market order. So immediately you initiate this transaction, is going to go live immediately. So let us make an example. So we are going to be using cross. You can see here cross isolated, but we are going to be making use of cross for safety. So then if I give you 10x, use it, but based on the fact that I have some good knowledge about futures, so that's the reason why I'm going to be using max. Don't use max, beware, but I'm going to be using max for this. So we have our available balance here, which is 9 USDT. We have our position running, as you can see. Our power is running on profit, our gas is also running on profit. 34% profit, 19.20% profit. Make sure your target is based on your percentage, not on your winning amount. Don't be greedy. This is this is a strategy that we're actually making use of. We are targeting percentage, not the amount. All right. So if I give you a order price at which to start, let me give you an example. Let's start from give you an example. So we have an example here. The entry is market. The entry is market. The leverage is cross 10. Let me give you that as an example so you can understand what I'm specifying directly. So we have a 10x. The order value is we don't have a specific order value, so let's just use 10% of our available balance, right? Let's use 10% of available balance as proper risk management. So let's use about let's use $1. We cannot use 0.7 based on the fact that we have trading ongoing, so that's the reason why we don't have enough $10. So we're going to set our take profit and stop loss, which you can find by clicking here, take profit and stop loss. We have our long menu here, we have our short menu. Long means buy, short means sell. So that we are using on this particular signal, we are going on long, as you can see here, long. So we are going on long, and our target price is 0.35. Target is same as take profit, which is TP. As you can see here, take profit trigger. So we are going to impute 3.5. We are not going to okay, let's move on. We are going to use 3.5, which is 0.3500, and that actually give us about 0.4239 USDT profit, which is 34.32% profit on a $1 deal. Remember, $1, which is proper risk management. So, and we have a stop loss of 0.2003. 0.2003. So once we are done with that, we are going to click on confirm. Then we are going to click on buy long, based on the fact that the contract is based on long. Remember, buy is same thing as long. So you are going to click on buy long. It has bought it directly, and it has added it to the new contract that we are making use of, or our previous contract, which is the Power USDT. So I'm going to click on this. As you can see, we're in profit. As you can see, we're in profit. So this is a list of all our orders, our first and second order. So this is the order we just made just now. As you can see, the quantity is 4, which is based on $1 that we actually added to it. So this is a new order right here, and we are on profit on that already. So I'm profit on that already. So keep going, bro. Keep going, guys. Keep going. As you can see, our gas is moving on. Yeah, at 45% profit already. Yeah, moving. Yeah, moving. Let's go. Let's grow this. Let's grow this. So I'm actually open. I'm open. We've made a lot of profit already. I'm open. We keep making a profit. Keep growing. We are going to double our $10 in a few days. Let's go.